Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am legit sweating right now, and of course my ring light is broke, so I've got to use natural light. So it's a fail of a morning. So I got contacted by a company called Cherryz, and what they are is basically a shopping app, and you save money on like groceries, household goods, cleaning, stuff like that. Now, as you know, your girl loves to save a penny or two. Pretty much all my items were like £1. I think the most expensive item was maybe like £2–3, but it's cheap as chips. So all these items were gifted. I did actually go slightly over my budget, so some of this I did pay with my own money because there was just so much on the site. I couldn't narrow it down, and I had to have everything. As you can see, I got a lot. Now, I haven't opened, I've forgotten what I bought. I forgot what I bought. So this is going to be exciting for both of us. So this is basically a Cherryz haul of what I have ordered. I tried to get a mixture of items. So I got some cleaning products, I got some food. I think I got some like random stuff, because they had stuff like for back to school. They literally had like a mixture of everything. They had garden stuff on there, like you could get like a little gnome. They had so much, so I definitely suggest go checking out the website, and they seem to update all the time with new goods from what I can see, from when I was looking anyway. And they have like known brands on there as well. It's not like some like unknown brand stuff. They have like legitimate brands like Lenore and stuff like that. You'll see when I open up anyway. I'm chit-chatting a lot, so let's just open this up and I'll show you what I got from Cherryz. Oof. Go away, go away. Oh my god. Oh, I just realised that some things are like packed up and I'm just throwing away like the pieces of paper. So I'm guessing the stuff that is delicate, they have also taken extra care and have wrapped it up. I've got so many items. I think I picked like 32 items. Okay, let's do the stuff that is wrapped up. I feel like it's Christmas. So I got this chicken tonight creamy mushroom 1-pan sauce. I love having stuff like this in the cupboard. I don't know about you, but you know when you're feeling like a lazy day and you don't want to cook? I love having jars like this, like a pasta sauce, curry, stuff like that, where you know you just want to be lazy, but you still have to eat. I'm trying to get back into the swing of eating, like getting into like having actual proper meals. I have been on a downward spiral. That's for another story. That's for a whole new video, which I'll explain. So I'm trying to get my life back together. So that's what I was trying to do when I was buying this stuff. I also got this Char cooking sauce. This is the sweet and sour. And I also got the Blue Dragon egg fried rice to go with. You see what I did there? I was matching together. I believe, yes, it was like 2 for £1, so naturally I got 2 for £1. Oh my god, I forgot I got this. So this is Thurston's Fine Foods Duo Hazelnut Chocolate Spread. I'm assuming that this is going to, it reminded me of a Bueno. I think I say that wrong, Bueno. Anyway, that's what it reminded me of, so I had to pick it up. Do I eat this like literally from the jar? Yes. Yes, I do. I just get the whole spoon. Yeah, that's my life. Anyone else? No? Okay. Ah, I forgot. I also got a candle. So this is the Candle Factory Vanilla Cream. Can confirm it does smell very much like vanilla. I also got the Lenore Crease release. I haven't tried this scent. I've got the one that is like in the orange packaging. This stuff is amazing. I don't know about you, but I don't iron. I do not iron. I don't trust myself to iron more than anything. This stuff is amazing. Literally is so amazing. Literally put it on. How many times did I say literally then? Put it on a hanger. Pull. Done, mate. Done. Sorted. No faff. I also got some Fairy washing up liquid. This is in Apple Orchard. Orchard? I don't know. Orchid? I'm just saying any word that I think comes to mind. These are a little bit squished, not gonna lie. So this is the fish and chips sport and vinegar. Don't crisp. I also got the Fabulosa 4-in-1. This is in the scent, I want to say peach. It doesn't say, but there's a bunch of peaches on it. So I'm going to assume, oh, it says peachy keen. That's the scent. I finally got myself a scrub mummy. They do have scrub daddies on there as well. Did I get one? I don't think so. But I don't own one of these, but everyone always raves about them and uses them for everything. So now I wanted one, so I got one. I got a bunch of tomatoes. So I believe it was 3 tins for £1. So I got 3 tins of chopped tomatoes. Because at the end of the day, you use chopped tomatoes for like pretty much everything. Like every sauce, apart from a creamy sauce that I make, has chopped tomatoes. So you can never have too many in the cupboard. I got this fridge fresher. So it says it eliminates odours and unpleasant smells. And it says it lasts up to 6 months. I'm a disgusting person and I tend to leave food in the fridge for longer than it should. Then I open up and I'm like, what's that smell? That's disgusting. Yeah, I'm the disgusting person. So it says you just place it in the fridge. You shake the fridge fresher once a month to refresh. I got some Fresh Stripes toilet gel from the Mighty Burst. This is in Flamazing. Again, I saw everyone using these, especially on the TikToks. If by the way, I'm on TikTok. If you wanted to follow me, you totally should. I always see people using them on cleaning TikTok. And I wanted to do it. So I got one. I am very easily influenced. I got some garlic mayo. I love garlic mayo. Garlic mayo and like burger sauce are like... I got some fudge sticky puddings. I'm sorry, but that looked amazing. What else did I get from Cherryz? Oh! I also got this vitamin C face cream from Face Facts. Helps brighten and hydrate skin and it's suitable for vegans. See, I did try to get a bunch of things to show you exactly what you can get on Cherryz. Skincare as well. Amazing. I got some Mocha Gold Premium. Is that the brand? I don't know, but it's an iced coffee drink, caramel flavour. Yeah, I've been really into my iced coffees recently. Got some Robinson's Real Fruit and Barley, Apple and Pear Squash. I got some noodles, easy instant noodles. This is the special chicken flavour, so you get 5 in a pack. I like having these as like a basics and then you add to them. I also want to do that little cheesy thing that I keep seeing everyone do. Don't know if I can do them with these, but I wanted to try them. On to the last few bits now that I got. Oh wait, no, there's stuff in here. So I got these Ye Old Oak hot dogs. 6 hot dogs in a can. Hot dog in a can. I go for ease. I love a hot dog. Got some Vimto jelly babies. Not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna eat these now. I wanted something. I needed something sweet. Apparently I'm not, because I can't open them. I got a bag of spaghetti. Italian's selected quality. Okay, and I think that's the final food item I got from Cherryz. On to the last little random bits. I got myself a Dishmatic. I know I'm late to the trend and I know everyone raves about these and say they're the best thing ever. I'm late to the trend, okay? I'm late to it, but I finally got myself one. Here we go. I'll see what the hype is about. I also got these Incredi balls in wash scent boosters. These are Fascia? That is not a word. I don't care what they're trying to say. And pearls. Fascia. I think they're lying to me, mate. Colgate toothpaste. I also got a Maxi Flush Citrus Sparkle. You get 2-pack. Toilet cleaner. Okay. I got a Derma V10. You Are Flamazing hair sheet mask. Easy pull on cap. I don't like the idea of these. Imagine you just like put a cap on and then you can just carry on with your day and then you just go wash it off. It's a 15-minute treatment. And finally, the last item I got is this plate coverer for the microwave. So all of those items came to, let me just go on the little Cherryz app and I can tell you. Ooh, they got some new stuff on it. They got some pink stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot. They also have a reward stuff that you can do. So obviously you collect 2 cherries for every £1 you spend. So the total order, so I got 31 items, came to £32.70. So I think the most expensive thing was the Lenore Crease, and that was £2.70. Some of these items are like literally like less than £1. They're like 90p. Honestly, and they had so many things. It took me like I was scrolling. So that is everything that I got from Cherryz. Again, thank you for the people at Cherryz that contacted me and sent me all of this stuff. They did also give me a discount code, which is Jasmine Simone 20, and that gives you 20% off of your first order on the website or the app. I'll leave it down below anyway. So I don't know about you, but I'm about to go now restock my cupboard. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you do happen to get anything from Cherryz, please let me know in the comments down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I shall see you next time.